got this from Anson. I want to show you how it works on this BMW 3 Series hood. What's up, everybody? Dave here with Indigo Hair Repair. So I'm working on a BMW today, and this underside of the hood is painted. There's no hood mat, so trying to minimize scratching. So got a product from Anson. It's super great. It's this stuff right here. Found out about it last year. I'll show you how it works. So I'm going to put a little of this on the tip. Just comes out like a glue. And it stays wet until you hit it with this light. It's just a black light. So in a minute, you should see some smoke. So this black light is drying this glue. There goes the smoke right there. So this black light is drying this liquid, and it's gonna make it into like a hard plastic substance. And then I can push on the underside of this hood without scratching the finish of the paint. This also works good if you got a dent that you need to get a sharp tool on. I'm sorry, if you need like a little hole that you got to go through with a sharp tip tool, but the dent's too big to where a sharp tip might, pickle the paint a little bit. This works really good too. So, all right, that's all done. And this stuff, as you can see, is now hard. It's pretty cool. So take this up under here, go in through here, and now when I make my pushes, it won't scratch that finish on the inside.